Aye. 2 billion fraud scandal. The Special Investigating Unit has uncovered a massive 2 billion fraud scandal at Itembisa Hospital in Gauteng. 2 billion. Now, the SIU revealed ukuthi systemic corruptions and fraudulent activities involving senior officials and service providers at Itembisa Hospital, over 2 billion that was meant for healthcare, has been uncovered through corrupt procurement schemes, bid rigging, and money laundering. Now, this scheme, it involves or it implicates officials that range from entry-level clerks to management-level employees, from lower levels officials allegedly causing more loss. The SIU identified 7 procurement syndicates involved in this fraud corruption. Now, this links the businessman Uhangwani Morgan Maumela, who is alleged to be a nephew to the president, Cyril Ramaphosa, with contracts worth over 816 million and assets valued at approximately 520 million, including luxury cars and properties. Another person that has been linked to this syndicate is Rudolph Mazibuko, with contracts worth 283 million and assets worth 42 million. And then there's also an unknown person who has a contract worth 600 million and assets of 150 million. The investigation is still in process and it's still ongoing. The unit is working closely with the law enforcement and agencies to recover misappropriate funds and to ensure accountability. The investigation is expected to conclude by November 2027. And we all know what had happened to Babita Deokaran, who played a crucial role in exposing the corruption at Tembisa Hospital. Her report in 2021 flagged suspicious purchase orders, leading to this investigation that was done or that is being done by the SIU. Now, the next step of SIU will continue to pursue justice, which plans to freeze and recover assets and refer evidence to the National Prosecuting Authority for further action. 2 billion fraud scandal, Tembisa Hospital. And also, mangabe you wanna support the channel, please just click on subscribe, or you can go into my bio and then you can click where it says buy me coffee, and then you can do a donation towards the channel. I truly appreciate your support and love. This is the Conscious Pet. It's a 2-in-1 gentle shampoo plus conditioner. It is enriched with the aloe vera and avocado oil that is good for your dog's coat. It leaves your dog's coat soft, shiny, and tangle-free. It's also vegan friendly and it's very good to dogs with sensitive skin. So get yourself this pH balanced bottle just for $150.